Now let's understand what is a double integral. Okay, so mathematically my double integral is defined like this. Let us suppose I have a function of x comma y which is defined in a finite 2D region. Okay, so this is a finite 2D region. The region should be closed and bounded. Okay, so for a finite 2D region, if I have a function defined, then what I have to do is I have to divide this region into n elementary areas. Okay, so let's suppose I divide this into n elementary areas or n small areas. Okay, so let's do that. So you can think of it something like this. Now let xr comma yr be the point enclosed in AR, or rather delta AR. Look, one of these elementary area is delta AR. Okay, we are dividing this region into small areas, therefore we call it as delta AR. Okay, where what is R? R is the rth area, so it would be delta A1, delta A2, delta A3 and so on. So let one of that area be delta AR and the points enclosed in that be xr comma yr. Okay, if that is the case, then the product function of xr comma yr into delta AR, when this product is added for all such areas, that is from r is equal to 1 to r is equal to n, and if we now take a limit such that n tends to infinity, or in other words you have infinitely many such areas, or in other words you have each of these areas tending to 0. If you take this limit and if it exists, then this limit is equal to your double integral, okay, over region R. Now if you were to have these areas as rectangular areas, let's suppose if this is your finite region and you had rectangular areas, if you divided this region into rectangular areas, so something like this, then each of these areas can be, your dA can be written as dx into dy. Okay, if that is the case, then this essentially becomes equal to your iterated integral f of x comma y dx dy. Okay, so this is your double integral, which is nothing but a iterated integral over a finite closed and bounded region. Okay, now similar to the concept of a double integral, we have a triple integral. Okay, let me just show you what is triple integral in this definition only, so we'll make changes in here. So my triple integral, let me just write it down for you, is defined like this. Let f of x comma y comma z be defined for a finite 3D region, then when you divide this region into n elementary volumes, so instead of areas we have volumes, calling each volume as delta VR, and let xr comma yr comma zr be the point enclosed in a particular small volume. Okay, then your triple integral is given like this: triple integral of f of x comma y comma z dv is equal to limit n tends to infinity VR tending to 0 f of xr comma yr comma zr delta VR. Okay, so your triple integral is essentially sum of these products. Okay.